Hello guys, and today I will be making 5 custom lightsabers. All of those lightsabers are going to be different than, well, this very simple lightsaber. It's not going to be the real ones, it's just going to be the Lego ones. This is the one normal people just hold, like Luke. But I want to make more cool looking ones, And the first one is going to be this. All you need are 2 of those basically laser pieces and 1 binocular. We're going to stick those 2 in the 2 holes that right there. And then I guess that's all you need. All of these custom lightsabers are going to be pretty easy to make. And the second one I wanted to show you guys was this one. The first piece you need is the normal lightsaber piece. And then you can add on, you can get one of these pieces, or you can get this piece, which, for it to look cool. I'll do both ways. So let's get this. I'll use this one. So this is how it looks like when you do it with the skeleton. I mean, it looks pretty cool, but I would suggest not to do this because that part, the head seems a little too big. So let's just get it out. Otherwise, you would do this. You would get this piece. There's a hole there. There's like thing right there where you can just put it in. And then the lightsaber piece you just put it right there. This looks actually pretty cool. Like maybe that could be like a laser shield or something. Looks pretty cool. And that was 2, so I guess I'll just show you the third one. At the end, I'll be showing how all of them look like with people holding them. I'll just... Okay, so the third one is going to be a triple lightsaber. It's going to be... it's gonna look pretty cool, but it might be a bit too big. Well, if a child uses it, then I wouldn't suggest for a child to use it. Like nobody would. So this is the third lightsaber. It looks very cool. I mean, if you look at me, it could defeat 3 at once. Like, this kid, if this kid designed this, he'd be a millionaire. This kid. So, if all 3 people were coming at him, pretty much dead. Like, boom, boom, boom. Easy. Well, that was the third one, and I'll show you the fourth one. The fourth one is a pretty cool one because it's cool. it's going to be with 2 shields. They're going to be fire shields, and then next to them there's going to be some laser. Let's get the normal lightsaber, and then this piece. It doesn't have to be the exact same color. It could be the blue color, like transparent blue, or any other color you would want. And then you would put this right there. You can put that like that. It already looks cool without the lightsaber, you know? You have to get 2 lightsabers though, and put them in. This is a good thing this is a very cool thing. So I guess if someone shot him, like maybe, you know, a chicken costume guy shooting him, I mean, from the side, like right there, it would block it. It would block because it wouldn't hurt the police officer because of the shield right there. So it's pretty cool. And that was the 4th, and this is gonna be the 5th one. It's gonna be double-sided like the other one, but it's gonna look very cool. One side is gonna be another thing, and the other side is gonna be, actually it's gonna be 3 at once. So wait, let's just get that. Boom. All of these are below 10 pieces. This one, I guess, Spooderman would love, because, I mean, this is kind of like the other one I made with other piece. And this piece, and this is actually pretty cool. Like, you could just turn off these 2 ones, and then, turn off those 2 ones, and boom, he has a green lightsaber sword thingamajig, which is from Lego Ninjago, and this is actually pretty cool. And that was the 5 ones, and I promised you I'll show how all of them look like. So I guess I'll show them. So this is how the first one looks like with Spider-Man. And then the second one, but this is the 5th one. I kind of changed the 3rd one, the 4th, I think. And you can change all of these. You can just change all of them with different ideas. And I decided to make it like this. Looks pretty cool. You just get one of these pieces. That piece I use for a shield. Or you can just get that out and make a normal one like that. This part might be like, a gun, and the little kid might be happy with it, Like that. And then the second one, I think, was the one where it was like this. It was pretty cool. And then the third one was, I think, one of the coolest because it had a shield and 2 lightsabers. I mean, that is awesome. That's sick. I wish lightsabers were actually real and someone invented these things. And this was the one. And I think I forgot how you make this one, but you just need basically any kind. It can be any color. You just get one of these, the lightsaber thing, and then you can put 3 lightsabers or one different kind. You can use this one, you can use the lightsaber, or you can use absolutely anything, something that shoots, you know. And then I got this 1 by 1. It's just a bit like a rocket, you know. And then I got a 1 by 1, but there's 4 studs. I didn't really use the 4th one, but I mean, looks pretty cool. And then you get this piece, you put it on the bottom, boom. And then the first one, I think the first one was actually very cool because it used like only 3 pieces, which was surprising because, I mean, only one more than a normal lightsaber, you know? You just put one of those pieces. You can put absolute any kind of piece. You can put one of these pieces. You can put a head. You can put any kind of these, you know? All of those. You can modify what I did. You can put these. You can absolutely put anything you imagine just to make it modified. And I hope you like this video because, I mean, I like Star Wars and it's pretty cool, and I hope you guys like this Legos, how to make 5 Lego but cooler lightsabers, and I hope you guys like it. Bye. See you on my next video.